Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, I'm going to pull down the notification panel and find the toggle. In here it's called DND with a moon icon, and once you find it, you can either tap on it just to turn it on by default with the default settings, or you can hold it to go into the settings where you will have the option to customize it. Now, to actually access the settings, after holding it, you want to scroll down to Do Not Disturb, tap on this, and here we have the settings. So we do have a toggle right here to turn it on. Then we have how it will work. So always, meaning when you tap on it, it will basically be always on, or when device is locked. I guess those are kind of weird settings, unless I'm misunderstanding them. You can test around with them and see how they work. Allow incoming calls. So here we have an exception for calls. When someone calls you, you can choose who can call you. So anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. With additional option for the repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you bypassing the none option right here. And also we have a schedule, so you can set up a schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on and off automatically based on your provided time and day of the week that you have chosen. And that's basically all the settings here. So to turn it on, you can either tap on it or wait for the schedule to kick in. And again, you can also turn it on from here as well by simply tapping on it and turning it off as I just did. Now that being said, this is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.